Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove Powered by Shopify on your Shopify store. So first of all, you have to do is go to the admin page of your Shopify. From here, you have to click on the online store button. From here, you will see three dotted button with customize. Click on three dotted button and click on edit default theme content. Click on it. Now you have to search for Powered by. Now you will see some sections here. All you have to do is click on the text box and add a space. Click on the text box and add a space, and do this for the third as well. I will remove all the content and I will just put a space. And I will click on save. Once done, I will go back and then I will click on view your store. I will scroll down to the bottom. As you can see, now I have successfully removed Powered by Shopify on my Shopify store. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.